I got shit to do today, Chad. You will get cussed out too, God. Let him do you.
Yo,
know.
I don't know what's going on. I ain't playing music. I don't know what's going on.
Why they cut us?
They hating. That's what I'm trying to
hate
say.
on the
They
boy.
hating. They don't want to.
I don't understand
They hating
this.
right now. I ain't gonna lie. What's good? How you doing? How's life?
I mean, life is great, God. Thank you for asking. So I am gonna come by your show.
All right. I'm very excited for that. Can't wait. Yeah.
Now, Kai, I didn't tell you this, but this is an episode,
semi-episode
of Queen Radio.
Okay. Wait, before hold on. Wait, before we talk about that, with you coming on my show, first of all, I want to say thank you for even like giving me a chance and for you to come on. But you know how things have been with Twitch lately and stuff like that. I've thought to myself, do I even want to give Twitch that? If you want me to come on Queen Radio and we chop it up on there, it's up to you. Okay.
No, I want to come to your show, so let's make it right with Twitch. Let's holler at Twitch.
I'm good with Twitch. I'm good with them. We cooling.
Okay. Hi, Twitch. We love you, Twitch. As long as you're doing right by Kai, we love you, Twitch, because Kai is a young
black Trinidadian
trying to do the right thing with his life.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes. A young Trini boy that's trying to do his thing in a legal way.
For sure.
And we applaud that, right? Okay. But we do got the killers on.
For sure.
But yeah. So Kai, let me ask you, do you have a girlfriend?
So Nicki, let me tell you something real quick, Nicki. You know, I don't know what these girls be wanting. You feel what I'm saying? So I be trying to like take my steps when it comes to shit like.
We can't hear you.
They cut you off. Oh, say that again. Say that again, Kai.
Yes.
Say it one more time.
So I really be careful on the steps that I take when it comes to things like that because, you know, I protect my heart, you know? And I don't know what these girls be wanting. You feel me?
Well, now's your chance to learn.
Yeah.
Down, shut up and sit
what's
back
some advice?
and shut up. Okay.
Yeah.
Now,
I'm a Sagittarius, born December 16th. You, Nicki, you a Sag, Nicki! For sure. That's why we here. That's why the connection's so instant. Can you hear me? Yeah. I'm a Sagittarius. Yes, I have a twin sister. She's like your biggest supporter ever. Yes, her name is Caan.
What?
December 16th.
So when is your birthday?
Wow.
December 8th.
That's so good.
Okay, so rule number 1 with Sagittarius
What
men.
you mean?
No.
Wait, hold on. What you mean by that, though?
Sorry,
Wait. What you mean by that? What that mean?
No. Oh.
Wait, so
like that, but you got
Sagittarius
like
men are
that.
bad?
Now. Well, here's the thing about Sagittarius. Sagittarius are the teacher, the explorer, the traveler. But if you do not keep a Sagittarius excited and inspired, it is over.
Okay.
Sagittarius is the Sagittarius is in the universe is the seeker of truth. So that's number 1. So lying to a Sagittarius
I don't really fuck with the liars. You lie to me, you're done. You're finished. You're done. You're finished.
That's what I'm saying. We'd rather you not
I'm not
love
gonna
us than
lie
lie
though.
to us. We'd rather you punch us in our head than lie.
I'm a liar though. Is that a bad thing? Okay.
Right, because you a Sagittarius man. That's why
I'm just a little. Like
he kept it real. He is a liar,
like,
y'all.
I'm just a little toxic.
I'm just a little. Now I'm glad he just kept.
I'm just a little toxic.
Huh? No, you a lot toxic.
Really?
Boo boo, you a lot toxic. Now, Yes, baby. Yes, you're very toxic, but not bad. But a good heart. Okay. Number one, very good heart. But Sagittarius men and Sagittarius women are a little bit different. But a Sagittarius woman is similar to that too, meaning like you gotta really hold us. It gotta be something about you that too. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And on top of that, like, you know, the sexual chemistry is
no. For me, I'm like, me personally, like I'm gonna go ahead and spill the tea. Like I'm like, when it comes to like sex, like I'm a freak. I'm a freaky ass nigga. You feel what I'm saying? Like I toss her in, leave her there. I will do what I have to do to make sure she's pleased. You feel what I'm saying? If I gotta drop this thing down, I'm gonna drop this thing down. You feel what I'm saying? It's like when it comes to that category, I'm there 100%. You feel me?
So every bitch you fuck would be saying you got some good dick.
I got extravagant dick. And my dick is A1. My dick is phenomenal. You feel me? Like I can't, like when it comes to this shit, that's why I kind of feel like when it comes to that category, a lot of girls think like, so like if I'm talking to somebody, she'd be like, yo, you a baby, I'm 21. You know what I'm saying? I'm 21. I'm 21. Yes. You 21? And they'll be like, and she'll be like, wait, hold on, don't laugh. Nikki, hold on. Get off my life. Boy, no. Wait. We gotta go. Wait. But it gets so cool because like I'm really a grown ass man when it comes to the bed. A grown ass man.
You really
when it comes to the bed. You feel me? What happened?
Let me tell you something, baby.
What happened? What you gonna tell me?
Let me tell you something, baby. Okay.
Yo, Nikki. Wait, hold on, Nikki.
So,
Nikki.
No.
Wait.
You dropped it off, but you picked it back up. You ain't
wait.
You ain't been dreaming about the dick. No.
Wait, hold on, Nikki. Look, I'm telling you, I'm not a liar.
You see, when a bitch can still feel the shit when you leave.
Yo, look, hold on, wait. But I'm trying to tell you, like I just know, like I think it's because I'm Caribbean, like I just know how to whine in and out of pussy, you know. But just know how to whine in and out of pussy.
So how you be whining in it?
Let us see.
But just whining out of pussy, so. Man, what? Keep it up!
You got promotion.
That's what I do.
Yeah, listen, don't let Zubin games. Listen, I don't want your life in danger, child. Okay, so now,
yeah.
But here's the thing. Okay, now here's the thing. It's good that you know how to whine in it, but that's not the only thing.
Right.
Okay. Now, are you a cuddler?
No.
After? Because see, okay. I'm not. Once I get my nut, I'm out. I'm
not gonna lie. Like I just like to like. I don't know what it is, but when it comes to that, like I just want to make sure my number one objective is to please. That's number one. Okay. And two,
good.
I just like if you want to go longer, let's go longer. You feel what I'm saying?
Can you do it 3,000
times? You know, sorry. Over and over.
God don't lie.
I'm not playing. I'll be shooting blanks at round number 7. I'm shooting
my motherfucking head, motherfucker.
Look,
don't play with
Nikki,
me. If I zoom in on you, I will know if you
round
lying.
7, I'm shooting blanks. That's how serious it gets. Okay? I am the Terminator when it comes to shit like that. I'm trying to tell niggas, bro. But I don't even want to get too much into that.
Terminator.
So do the girls be pulling on your hair and saying, "Daddy"? Oh, so do they be like?
Okay,
fuck me hard as daddy.
They just be like, don't stop.
They ask you to go deeper.
They just say, don't stop. Don't stop.
They be saying, don't